Most people think whiteboard animation takes hours to create. What if I told you an AI can generate an entire whiteboard video from a single idea in just a few minutes? And the craziest part? Almost nobody is using this method yet. And instead of wasting time figuring out ideas from scratch, there's already a prompt that does the heavy lifting. One simple input, and it spits out multiple viral whiteboard video ideas instantly. You'll find it pinned in comment, ready to copy, paste, and run. Starts with copy the title generation prompt. You take it, drop it into ChatGPT, and it doesn't just give random suggestions, it builds a full pool of video directions around whiteboard animation. Right away, it pushes out 10 different ideas for your video. Each one comes with its own initial hook, and the core concept already shaped around what keeps people watching. No guessing, no brainstorming, just instantly usable video angles ready to pick from. Then you go back to the same prompt system again. This time, you don't ask for ideas. You pick one topic from those 10 and feed it straight back into the prompt. And what comes out is different, not a normal script. A tight-paced storytelling flow built specifically for retention. Every line is structured to keep the viewer hooked, pushing curiosity forward instead of explaining everything at once. Then, the script gets copied and moved into 11 Labs. Just paste it in and pick a calm voice that fits the whiteboard style. Hit generate, and suddenly the entire script turns into a natural-sounding narration, ready to plug straight into your video. Then, everything comes together inside one document. You take the script again and drop it into the visual prompt section. It breaks the entire narration into scene-by-scene visual prompts, each moment turned into a clear image idea for your whiteboard video. Once those scene prompts are ready, you move them into the image generation tool one by one, building the full visual set step by step. Then, it all shifts into the editing stage. Voice goes in. Images get synced to the narration. Everything aligns like a chain reaction, and the final video is ready to export.
Something was already wrong with the sky before anyone understood it. Then the ground began to glitter like it had been shattered into dust from above. The morning looked normal until people noticed the sound. Not thunder, not wind, something sharper, like sand hitting stone from every direction at once.